These are the steps you need to take to organize your files on Microsoft ClipChamp. First is to launch your browser. So here I'll be using Microsoft Edge. Then visit clipchamp.com and log in. Alright, once you log into your ClipChamp account successfully, you will have yourself on an interface that looks like this. Okay, now, to organize your files, I have to start with folder creation, just like you have a PC whereby you create different folders to organize your files. You can create folders to organize your videos. So, for you to create a folder, click on Add Folder. All right. Now, on this page, give this folder a name. Let's say I want to have a folder whereby I will be creating videos that have to do with my family. So I'll have it as family, meaning that it's going to contain only family video recordings. All right. So after that, click on create. So once you click on this create, you will find yourself that folder will open automatically. So subsequently, whenever you want to create video that has to do with your family, what you need to do is once you log in, scroll down and get to family and click on family. It will open. Once it opens like this and you want to create a fresh video, click on this create a video in this folder, or you can click on create a video. Any of these two buttons serve the same purpose. All right. Once you click on that and you are prompted to give a name, you give it a name, you click on record, select the option you want to select, whether camera, screen, or audio, or screen and camera. All right. It starts your recording. So everything that has to do with your family will be saved here. If you maybe shot the video in your camera in your phone and want to edit it further, come to this folder, drop that video here in this family folder and start editing. All right, so everything that has to do with your family videos will be on this folder. All right, so let's get to home again. I want to show you another way we can organize files. All right, go to home. All right, so I'm back to home. All these folders you see here are all the folders I made for myself. This is Google Forms. I'm going to creating any video that has to do with Google Forms in it so that you help me stay organized. Whenever I need to work on a video that has to do with Google Forms, I'll come here. This is HTML. It contains any video that has to do with HTML. This is iPhone. It contains only iPhone video tutorials. So when you do this, your folder will become neater, all right, and easy to access any video file you want to access. So if you have been creating video maybe only on this home, because you have a create button here, maybe you have been creating on this home, it's time to start organizing your videos. All right, okay, look at this now. This one is about convert Google Docs to PDF. All right, on convert Google Docs to PDF on Docs Mobile. All right, I created this thing on the home page, and maybe then I have not created any folder that has to do with Google Docs, but I can still move this video to the suitable folder. So even though you have it working on the home, whereby you have a lot of videos scattered around there, you can still move some videos to the folder you create in future. All right, so let's experiment with this. I will click on these three dots. All right, and you can, from the options listed here, you can see move. I'll select move. So this will list all the folders I have created on this my ClipChamp account. So I will find Google Docs if any exists. Okay. And look at this. This is Google Docs Mobile, which is what that video is talking about. So I'll click on this box, all right, for it to be checked. And I will select move here. All right, so that video now has now been moved to this Google Docs Mobile. You can see the name of the folder. So stop allowing videos to scatter around your home. It doesn't make sense. Organize your videos through folders. Create different folders and then move some videos inside. Or create different folders and start creating fresh videos inside. So that's all I want to teach you today on how to organize your videos, your video files in your Microsoft ClipChamp account. So if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment if you want to ask a question on this or anything that has to do with what concerns ClipChamp, all right, or video editing. So please do that and I will answer you. You can check out the video on the screen for you to watch more on how to complete more tasks on Microsoft ClipChamp Video Editor. Thank you and see you some other time.